Hi, how are you? I'm Vincenzo Di Franco, ambassador of Cadiveu, and I'm here to introduce you to a new service, hair lamination. Present in more than 80 countries, Cadiveu has brought this service from Europe that will optimize coloring and chemical processing in your salon, providing a superior experience and allowing you to treat the hair at the same time as you do chemical processing. And today, I'm here with Camila, who dyes her hair and needs a root retouch. So we're going to retouch the root and tone the ends. And before dyeing the hair, we're going to apply the Nutri Glow Nourishing Wax. The average amount of product per application is about 35 to 40 grams. So the first step is to part the hair into large sections, and we apply the product with the brush to ensure the best distribution of the wax. Well, here we make an application. There is no need to slather it since it's rich in oils. It spreads so easily. And here, in Camila's case, I can feel when I touch her hair, it has a greater porosity towards the ends. So this is where we'll saturate with the product. So we have finished applying the wax, and as you can see, her hair is already starting to absorb the product. This is the great benefit of this wax, which has a blend of 12 oils that will act both on the inside and on the outside of the wax. We're going to apply the coloring now on top of it, because this wax, this blend of oils, has already paved the way and will be a guide for this coloring to have a greater fixation. And the oils that work on the outside will protect, making the color last longer. So next, we start the coloring application. This wax doesn't require any processing time, which is amazing since it won't increase your service time at the salon. So here we have finished rinsing off all the products. I haven't used any kind of shampoo yet. I have just detangled her hair. The texture is so smooth now, we can already feel it. The nice touch we've brought to the hair, okay? Look at this glow, how wonderful. And then we're going to tone the ends now to match her hair color and make it even shinier. Now we wait for 10 minutes for the hair toner to process, and I'd like to remark that since it makes the application easier, allowing us to spare coloring products, the product spreads so much easier and the coloring penetrates the hair much easier too. So this allows us to save product. We've just washed her hair with shampoo. Despite being a clarifying shampoo, it doesn't have that effect that makes her hair stiff. It cleans efficiently while respecting the integrity of the strands. Here now we're going to apply the hair mask, and it is also rich in this blend of 12 oils, making the hair 8 times shinier. And I say that because it was tested and proven. product line also brings a conditioner to use on clients with thinner hair, and the hair that doesn't show much porosity. Coloring and treatment completed. Now it is an important moment, time to use our fluid with heat protection. And the best part, it has an anti-freeze action for up to 72 hours. Here it is, the final result of Cadiveu's Nutri Glow line lamination service. And as you can see, a sensational glow, bringing an incredible result. It won't increase your service time at the salon. It will provide a much better experience to your clients and jaw-dropping results like this. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.